How to use TMC Transportation Inc. Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. TMC Transportation Inc. is a well-known freight and logistics company, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and money. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume standard shipping times apply to all freight. The surprising truth is that TMC offers multiple shipping options depending on load type and route. Choosing the wrong option can delay deliveries or increase costs. Another common mistake is neglecting proper documentation. Bills of lading, customs forms, and insurance paperwork must be accurate to avoid delays or denied claims. Double-checking documentation is critical. Many users also underestimate weight and dimension rules. Shipping heavy or oversized items without verification can lead to extra charges. Always measure and weigh your cargo precisely. Finally, beginners often forget to track shipments. TMC provides online tracking, but failing to monitor status can mean missed delivery windows or unnoticed issues. Use tracking tools proactively. In conclusion, using TMC Transportation Inc. properly means selecting the right shipping option, ensuring accurate documentation, measuring cargo correctly, and tracking shipments consistently. Avoiding these mistakes saves time, money, and frustration.